there, and welcome to another CBS demonstration video. This time I'm going to talk about cooling fans, how they work and how you can control them. You can find our full range of fans in a catalogue, prices and specification. We stock a range of sizes from this 7-inch fan to an 8-inch and a 9-inch to this 10-inch curved blades, 12, 14 and up to this bad boy 16-inch. We stock a range of switches that you can install into your coolant flow and you can switch the fan on and off at your chosen temperatures. And we also stock a couple of variable temperature fan switches like these two. Now each fan is supplied with a fixing kit with 4 plastic ties that go through the radiator fins. There's 8 foam rubber pads and 4 retaining clips. And each fan also comes with 4 mounting feet which slot in to the grooves around the frame of the fan. All our fans come with multiple mounting options. If you don't want to use the feet, you can use these 4 holes in the frame of the fan. Here's how to use the fan mounting kit that comes complete with each fan. You have 4 ties, 8 foam pads and 4 little retaining clips. Insert one of the mounting ties through the foot and take one of the little foam pads, remove the self-adhesive backing and slide that onto the mounting tie all the way up to the foot, the self-adhesive side on the outside here. And then you need to gently feed all 4 of the ties through the core of the radiator in between the fins. Be careful you won't do any damage to the fins, they'll be fine. Once they're through the other side, take another foam pad, remove the backing, slide it onto the tie right up to the core of the radiator, and then take the retaining clip and again slide that over the end of the tie all the way up to the foam pad you just put on. To find our full range of products, just head over to carbuilder.com. And don't forget, you can keep up with all the latest Car Builder Solutions news by following us on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching. Bye.